So let us try to derive the quadratic formula by completing the square. So first and foremost, we have to know that the general form of a quadratic equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is just a constant. Okay, if you let it equal to 0, okay, and you know that a cannot be equals to 0, because if a is equals to 0, what we will get is 0 for this particular term, and we are left with bx plus c. Bx plus c happens to be a linear equation, so which is why a cannot be equal to 0. Alright, so what I'll do is I will do some manipulation right now. I will shift positive c to the right hand side and get negative c. Okay, and I will divide throughout by a. Okay, and then what I'll get is x squared plus b over ax equals to minus c over a. Alright, so right now I will proceed to complete the square. Okay, x squared, okay, what I'll get is plus b over ax. Okay, and shall I half this? Okay, I'll get b over 2a. Okay, half of that squared. Okay, okay, can you see that this resembles here a squared plus 2ab plus b squared? Okay, alright, and because okay, wait, hang on, what I have to do is, since this is an additional term, can I take away the additional term here? Okay, this is an additional term. Remember, I'm just representing the information here. Okay, and what I have is still minus c over a here. Okay, now this, since this resembles this, okay, you can actually factorize it into a plus b squared. Okay, so in this case we can factorize this into ax plus b over 2a squared. Alright, I will shift this term to the right hand side of the equation. I'll get b over 2a squared equals to minus c over a. Okay, okay, x plus b over 2a squared equals to, I should have put a plus sign here. No, I should have put a negative sign here. So let me erase this. This is a negative sign. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll convert this, okay, to equivalent denominators, and I'll get b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay, what I just did was multiply 4a to the top here, to the numerator and the denominator. Alright, because 2a squared is 4a squared, so I'm making them equivalent denominators. Alright, so now I can square root. Shall I square root this? I will get x plus b over 2a equals to plus minus, when you square it, there's always a plus minus, b squared minus 4ac over, when you square root 4a squared, you get 2a. Okay, alright, let's continue here. Okay, so now I shall shift b over 2a to the right hand side of the equation. So x equals to minus b over 2a plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so x equals to, so since they are the same denominator, minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and this here, my friends, is known as the quadratic formula. Okay, you actually use it to find the roots or the solutions of the quadratic equation. Alright?